Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to remove green screen, basically a green background from your video. So guys, go ahead and create a new project from the top. In here I'm just going to choose this video which has a green background, just a YouTube subscription button as you can see, and then just go ahead and add it into your project as so. And now don't forget to choose it, so click on it with your finger, and then in our toolbar menu on the bottom just scroll into the left until you see remove background, and then use chroma key. And now with this little tool you just choose your color and place where you have your background. As you can see, in my case it's everywhere, so I can just place it anywhere on the screen and remove it. And after that just press on the check mark button. And now if I play the video, as you can see, it has no more green screen on the background. Enjoy guys, as you can see, pretty simple. If this video helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe.